Hey there, meet XYZ. He wants to launch a business but he's not quite sure where to begin. That's why I'm here to share 10 essential tips to help you kick off your own business journey. Tip 1. Follow your passion. The strongest fuel behind any successful entrepreneur is passion. If you truly love what you do, it becomes easier to stay motivated and push through challenges. Starting a business takes time, dedication, and long hours, so make sure your heart is really in it. Tip 2. Keep a cash flow. Start your business while you're still employed. Most new ventures take time before they start generating profit. Having a steady income as you build your business gives you financial breathing room and helps ease the early stress. Tip 3. Build a support system. You don't have to do it all alone. Find mentors, advisors, or even join a consultancy. Having the right people around you, those who understand the struggles of new business owners, can be incredibly valuable as you move forward. Tip 4. Network early. Start building your customer base and professional network even before you officially launch. Begin spreading the word, making connections, and identifying potential clients. This gives you a head start and can validate your idea early on. Tip 5. Make a plan. A business plan is your foundation. It outlines your goals, your market, and how you plan to succeed. It also helps separate your dreams from the practical realities and highlights the areas you need to improve or refine. Tip 6. Do thorough research. To write a great business plan, you'll need to dig deep. Research your market, study your competitors, analyze customer needs, and learn about industry trends. The more informed you are, the better your decisions will be. Tip 7. Seek professional advice. You don't need to master everything yourself. While you may wear many hats in the beginning, there will be areas like legal, accounting, or marketing where professional help can save time, prevent errors, and ensure you're on the right track. Tip 8. Secure funding. Finance plays a big role in your success. Try saving up in advance or consider reaching out to investors or lenders. Be open-minded. Traditional funding sources often hesitate with new businesses, so you may need to explore creative options. Tip 9. Look professional from day one. First impressions matter. Treat your business seriously right from the start. Get a business card, set up a professional email, consider building a simple website, and always engage with your customers in a respectful, polished way. Tip 10. Get legal clarity. Don't overlook the legal side. Make sure your business is properly registered and compliant with local laws. Think about employment agreements, tax requirements, and licenses. It's wise to consult a legal expert to get everything in order and avoid problems later.